Hey everybody, welcome back. Here we've got some cool new batteries from Sypom. You can see there's a 2200 3S 30Cs. Everybody, I'm sure, has some of these and uses them in something. Very, very common size. Comes with the T connector on it. That's just awesome because I use those on everything. Nice compact battery. We'll get them out and compare them to some other ones. I also have some 4S 4200s here, which are pretty good size. You can see about double the size of battery, but not double the size of the battery. So anyways, again with the T connector, which is great because I use those on everything myself. You got your balance tabs for charging. I always take a Sharpie. If you got a spot like this, you can write when you got them just to keep track. But yeah, 4200 4S 40C. So we'll be putting this in some airplanes like that FMS Edge that I have and see how they perform. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can see how these perform for yourself, and we'll go have some fun. They also come with this little sheet with each pack that gives you info on charging, current, voltage, temperature, usage, discharging, minimum voltage, storage, transportation, and warnings. So if you're new to things, you probably should check that out as well for fun. So that way you're good to go.
I have one of those glass covers that go over your phone. That broke. I thought it was my screen that broke.
Oh, the gorilla screen or whatever. Yeah.
You have a smaller phone than the rest of them. They got tiny.
I don't like it.
This fits just right in my pocket. In the back pocket.
That thing looks so good.
Shoot me.
Looks good though.
Still got good power on 3S, huh?
Very nice.
It looks good up there.
That thing was awesome.
Full throttle on 3S.
And you might want to get yours out of the box.
Sounds cool.
Start slowing her down, half lap, and then those do geared. See the lights that side too. Not my best, but not my worst.
Looked awesome, man.
Save the prop. Sweet.
Alright guys, that was brought to you by Sypom. Check that out right there. That's a 3S in this thing.
First 3S flight on it.
First 3S flight, not even broken in.
Good.